Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a triple unboxing for some items that I purchased from Louis Vuitton for Christmas 2022. Some of these packages arrived on different days due to the weather, and UPS delayed the delivery of these packages, so you may notice the lighting and stuff may be a little different in the backgrounds. And of course, I'm excited, made in France. I did notice a couple scratches on this button here, but it doesn't really matter. I'll ignore it for now. The glazing is perfect on this piece. I don't see anything that is concerning at all. Can someone tell me what this pocket is for? That little pocket that's behind the rings? And you guessed it, the mini pochette is made in France. So here's when I realized that my lock that's supposed to come with this bag and the keys were missing. So of course I had to call Vuitton, and they're talking about I'm gonna receive a tracking number within a week or within this week to let me know when the lock and the key is coming. I don't know. It's given very much I used this bag for 30 days and then returned it. Y'all let me know what y'all think, because where in the hell is the lock and the keys? And then if you look, the zipper has a little bit of scratches, and then the D-ring that's on the outside of the bag on the left-hand side looks like it has a couple scratches. And I did notice a scratch on the canvas, but my cousin told me that I was bugging out, there's no scratch, but I don't know. I'm thinking about returning it. I'll let you guys know if I returned it or not. But for now, I do like the bag. And another thing, the bag was made in the USA.